officially holiday season, which means holiday makeup looks. And I created this look by using these products from Stila Cosmetics. So let's get started. Starting off with the Stila liquid eyeshadow, and this is in the color Perlina. The thing about makeup for me is like, I'm not a makeup artist, so I like doing makeup that is easy, like literally anyone can do it kind of thing, because if I can do it, you can do it. With the waterproof liquid eyeliner, this thing will like literally not budge. Just gonna do like a little wing. The hardest part is this, like matching up the wings. Oh my god. And then if we really want to make this like super holiday, red lips, Stay All Day liquid lipstick, and this is in the shade Beso. And that's all. It's like super easy holiday eye and lip look. Like, I just think this is so perfect for like a Christmas party. And best part,